So he went to his wife. He said, what happened to all these books? Reference books of Acharya are very difficult to get. Printing was not like today, everything is printed 10,000 copies, you can put on Amazon and ebook. Difficult to get some books. She said, I sold it for Radhi to buy some tea. He got very hurt. He is dedicated to do something for his guru, who he loves. But he is taking care of family responsibility, therefore he didn't leave. And family is not supporting him. But it's not the situation now. They are not interested either in his work, neither in him, because there is no money. So he packed up his luggage. Wife thought he's gone for another business tour. He used to go for business tour. He never came back home. He went to Vrindavan. See, he got an order when he's 26-year-old. He has been patient for 29 years because he has a family responsibility. 55 years when family is settled, children are grown up, taken everything charged. Now he came, because again family was not cooperating, otherwise there was no need for it. He came to Vrindavan. He came to Vrindavan and after a few years took sannyas. Okay. So we are brahmachari. Sannyasa is serious people take advantage. And now he decided to fulfill the order of his guru. Come what may. And he started writing books more vigorously now. Books were ready, 3 volumes. Even for publication of a book, he had to struggle. See, if you have published a book, it's not easy. Because the cost, you have to print at least 1,000 copies. Minimum, otherwise the cost will be very high. And then cost will few lakhs. Where to get? He's a sannyasi, doesn't have any money. So he went to Hari Prasad Potari or Gita Press. He saw the script, immediately gave a donation. Then he went to Sumati Maharaj, he was a big businesswoman in Bombay, like Ambani of today. She was having ships, many ships. Ship is very expensive. Anybody who owns ships, she is a billionaire. So she gave some money. Together he collected some contacts for them, published 1 volume, 2 volumes, 3 volumes of Bhagavatam. 3 volumes are ready. He planned a 60-volume encyclopedia of Bhagavatam. 3 volumes are ready. He thought, no, I'll go. His age is now 70 years old. At that age, he decided to go. And he somehow managed to get a visa letter through somebody. And then he went to Sumati Maharaj. That I don't have money for flight. On your cargo ship, can you send me to America? Visa, he can be allowed. But cargo ship. She said, what old man, you will die. Just imagine at your house, your grandfather said, I'm going to launch World War Movement. What do you say? Thank you very much. You say like that, everybody at home, somebody 70-year-old. Correct? Would you allow that venture?
No.
Just common sense. 70-year. Who's got it? So same thing she said, you will die there. You know the cold there in America is very cold. And you cannot bear that cold. And anyway, he had gone to something like August. So finally, he went outside the office, sat down. He was chanting whole day, not going. She came to know from the staff that Swamiji is not going away. He's still sitting and chanting. So she said, call him. Okay, so he go. He adamant. He didn't leave it, drop it. Difficulty is there, but he didn't drop it. And then now, he didn't have enough clothes, winter clothes. She got some clothes purchased for it, some suit and all. Because America is, he has gone in August, he will reach in September sometime. And it is very, very, America, you know, that temperature is minus. And in India, we have not seen that temperature. Finally, on a cargo ship, he left. On a cargo ship, was not very easy at that age, advanced age, like this, you know, like this. Nowadays, ships are very huge, they don't move. But previously, ships mean, you have seen Charlie Chaplin movies. So, he had 2 nights severe chest pain, very severe chest pain, because of old age. And he felt in the pray to the Lord, again I have that, what you call a heart problem, I am going to die. Because I will not be able to bear it, unbearable, what you call heart attack or all. 2 days it had, so I will not be able to bear it. 3rd night, no chest pain. Rather he had a dream of the Lord. And next day morning, sea was calm like lake. Even the captain said, I have never seen the sea so calm. And he reached America, left, right, doesn't anywhere. big struggle this movement was formed, not by some magic, a serious effort. He used to go to the park, the way we chant Hare Krishna mantra, ISKCON Hare Krishna movement. We used to sit in the park and chant for 4 hours at a time, Harinam. 4 hours. Just sit and chant. And that time America was in a unique situation. The right situation for such a thing. Why? America, just like Russia is into this war, Ukraine war. America was into Vietnam war. And just like Russia is finding difficult, America was in difficulty. It was losing people. Same way like Putin had that thing, draft board, he forced people to join the war now. Partial mobilization. Same way America was doing mobilization and youth were forced to join the war. The war was unpopular. Vietnam war was very unpopular in America. Iraq war was a bit unpopular. Vietnam was very, very unpopular. The youth revolted and went on the streets. And the parks are full, and the new movement started in America called hippie movement. Basically they will not share, or some new culture started. But it was not working out. People were not, youngsters were not happy. They were looking for something new. See, it's kind of arranged. When Lord wishes to do something, it happens at the right time. They have already left home. He wanted huge manpower, Andolan. He was not looking like what I am looking for in a small temple. He wanted millions of people to come forward. So you need some first startup. No. Youth are on the streets. They already left home. They are fed up of their country and culture. They are looking for something new. The right time will landed. And they are on the street. He is also on the street. He has some small rented place, and he will sit on the park and do for 4 hours now. Yeah. That is the only magic. And they is across a religion. They don't know what is Krishna. They don't even know the name. After hearing that, they will just sit around and patiently hear 3-4 hours. Then, Swamiji, what is this? Who is Krishna? Krishna is God, Supreme Personality God. He will speak with his self. And then he will come back to his room. They'll be walking behind him like Pied Piper, you heard the story? They'll be walking behind him like this. And with that people, and he did not make anybody Shishya. Because Shishya means so many rules are there. For 6 months, just like I am saying 2-story structure, there was one hall below where they will be lying down, some youngsters. Okay? And no, they don't know any rule regulation, he doesn't speak anything, they are not ready for anything. There are no samskaras. They are just doing Harinama in the morning, evening, and started taking Gita class. They are hearing him, and 6 months later, when little sense came, mind became calm. Because in America, they do all kind of bad acting. He told there are some rules of life. Because we cannot tell suddenly rule, nobody likes to hear. So we should not drink, we should not smoke. He put down the rules after 6 months. And they were in a capacity, they started following the rules. And after some time, when they were totally pure, getting up early morning, doing Nama, reading Bhagavad Gita, living a pure lifestyle, then he gave them Diksha as disciples. He did not change anything, but he had a way to accommodate them gradually. But how many of them he got? 10,000. That was a miracle. With that he made 100 centers in America. And then the best of them sent all around the world for preaching. That's why ISKCON movement was formed. It was formed in America. And then it came to India after 5 years. And India, we were expert in copy. We said copy now. There we go, bhaktas. You know how to copy? Just like they say pizza. Pizza is from Italy, but nobody used to eat it in Italy. It was some useless thing. But one person went to America and launched it, and it became worldwide famous. Even now, pizza everybody in India eats. Then he went to Italy. Everybody is eating pizza. Then they started eating their own dish. Same way Hare Krishna chanting, it is there in our house. Even now it is there. At least Dada, Dadis used to do it very seriously. So we became serious, but when the whole world was following. In my college, so many devotees came. I was appreciated.